Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, whisper this quietly because I don't want too many people knowing this, but I am almost starting to like this Aisha Buhari character. But guys, please whisper it quietly because I don't want too many people to be aware of this, but she is almost now starting to sound like a human being. So guys, I bring you this hashtag say no to intimidation. Aisha Buhari responds to SaharaReporters story on police invasion of Dakolo's residence. So that's the headline. Again, hashtag say no to intimidation. Aisha Buhari responds to SaharaReporters story on police invasion of Dakolo's residence. So now let's get into the body of the story. The wife of the president, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, has responded to SaharaReporters story on the invasion of Dakolo's residence by the men of the Nigerian police force. The police had invited Busola Dakolo, popular photographer and wife of musician Dakolo, for investigation after storming their Lagos residence on Sunday. The letter of invitation from the police, signed by DCP Kolo Yusuf, Deputy Commissioner of Police, IGP Special Tactical Squad, read in part, this office is investigating a case of criminal conspiracy, falsehood, and a threat to life that your name was mentioned. You are kindly requested to interview the undersigned officer on the 23rd of the 7th, 2019 by 1000 hours, so that's probably 10 a.m. in the morning, for fact-finding through DSP Ibrahim Agu, the telephone number, and then it goes on to quote a telephone number. Before summoning the photographer for an interview, a source who spoke with SaharaReporters had narrated how the police asked Busola Dakolo to recant her confession by signing a document. Busola reportedly declined the request. Responding to SaharaReporters' tweet, Aisha Buhari wrote, "Attention, Inspector General of Police, say no to RAPE. Justice for RAPE victims, say no to intimidation." So all hashtagged. So this is now what Aisha Buhari is now saying in response to a story that she read on SaharaReporters, and she fully referenced the SaharaReporter article in her tweet as well. So now this is now a new development, because we always knew that this lady had this in her, because she's a little bit civilized. I'm not sure if she's fully civilized, because if she was civilized, then she would not be married to Jihadi the beheader, you know. But let's leave aside the fact that she is married to Jihadi the beheader. If you removed Jihadi the beheader from Aisha Buhari and you look at her just as a person, there's nothing not to appeal. She's current with the goings on of the country. She's alive to the diversity of the country. She comments on issues that are agitating the mind of the people. She's educated, she's pretty, she's young, she's vibrant, she's all of these things. The only Achilles heel, the only thing that brings her down slightly, is being married to Jihadi the beheader. So now this is the thing now about this lady. Now I'm saying that I am almost now starting to like her, but please guys, keep that to yourselves, because I don't want too many people knowing that I am starting to like Aisha Buhari, because that is not good for my street credibility. But this is now the second time, but this is not even the second time, because there's been now a series of things that she has put out in the public space that I fully align myself with. You will recall that she went to she followed through with that story of the blind students being badly treated by their teachers in Abuja, and she highlighted that on her platform. Now she's been highlighting this Dakolo situation all the way through, because this is something that she's showing an interest in. And of course, if the wife of Jihadi the beheader is showing an interest, then all of the parastatals will pay attention, because they know that she has the ears of Malam Buhari. So therefore they would then up their game. So this idea now of rolling Olokpa to the Dakolo's house to go and intimidate them is something that she's now picked up, and she's now referenced the Inspector General of Police. And of course the Inspector General of Police will be aware that he has been referenced by Aisha Buhari, and then of course he will then make phone calls downstairs to say, come to my office, what is going on here? Madam is saying this, do you want me to lose my job? So now she's now pushing for this, for some sort of sanity in the system. So if our civility is able to impact on the almost parochial, almost Neanderthal-like approach of her husband, who is of course from the stock of the Mali Fulanis and all these Niger type people, the Fulani headers. So if her civility is able to pop out as a blossom, as a beacon, as just that light in the distance in all of the darkness that is Buhari, that I'm all for that. So those are some of the reasons why I'm almost starting to warm to this lady. But as I said, whisper it quietly, because to all intents and purposes, and for the benefit of my street credibility, I am fundamentally opposed to anything and everything that any of them have to say. But this lady, she's talking a bit of sense. We have to say that. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your thoughts are on Aisha Buhari in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.